May the gods strike that useless mouth of yours. Who is your queen?
What is it this time? What have I done again?
Did you just ask me that question?
Yeah.
Are you this stupid? Well, I don't blame you. The woman that gave birth to you is equally stupid. So like mother, like daughter.
Hey! With due respect, Queen Mona Lisa, I don't like the way you insult my mother.
Shut up your mouth! What's wrong with you? Will you shut that thing you call a mouth? I don't like the way you speak. Who is your mother? I will speak to you and your mother however I deem fit and you will do nothing. What can you do? You can obviously do nothing. Weak maiden. How many times have I warned you never to come close to this car? How many times?
Excuse me?
You're well excused.
Why will you give such a useless order and expect me, Princess Ifunanya, the pride of Umumbi, to obey? This car in question does not belong to you. My father, the late King Iswamaka, bought it. So I'm wondering why you're in my face, fighting and claiming what is not yours.
Aren't you mad?
You are.
You are very stupid to say that. Are you trying to argue with me on this? Like you, this pig have grown wings or what?
I don't care however you interpret it.
I will interpret it however I wish to interpret it. Because I am the queen of this palace.
Who is the queen?
Myself. Do you have a problem with that or you want to hang yourself? Now listen. I want you to take your cursed body into your miserable room and remain there. I do not want to see your piglet, skinny self outside this place again.
Why will I do that?
That's because I'm the queen. And when I give order, it stands, whether you like it or not.
You,
yeah?
Queen.
Yes, so I am.
A royal blood.
Oh my God.
What's going on here?
Can you shut close? Oh my goodness.
I'm asking a question. What is...
Mother, I just thinking this.
What is it?
I was about to drive her when this thing that smells worse than a pig.
Who smells
This thing that uses cheap perfume to polish my father's palace
causing my nose.
walked up to me, raising accuses at me. Mom.
Hey you! I don't even want to hear your mouth in this because no one invited you. And you, this cheap whore, you want to do what? You want to report me to your mother? I am asking, you want to report me to your mother?
Yes, please.
Let me see you get into that car and see if you are going to be alive to tell the story.
Oh.
Get into this car now!
So it's now official.
Yeah.
You now have wings.
Of course, I've always had wings. I've always.
I can see.
Yes.
That you are looking for someone who will destroy you.
You wish. You wish. Get into that car and see if you're going to carry a dead body. I'm telling you to your face. Try and get into that car.
What is going on there?
My love.
My love, what is it?
I don't know what I've done to these miserable people. They always intimidated with my presence every time. Look at this thing, this pig that has not washed herself well, wanting to drive out with this car. I stopped the food and she started laying abuses on me. What nonsense is that?
What?
Yes!
Why on earth must you people know the causes of your wife? How dare you?
So you're going to judge this without asking for our own opinion?
Oh! What do you want to do?
I will advise you as a mother.
Don't insult me, woman! Don't dare insult me! Don't you dare insult me! I am the king! Ezekiel, the only one that wears the crown of Umudu.
I don't care who you are. I will talk to you as a mother. You have to be careful with this thing before she brings you down with her. My dear, let's go.
Get into the car and see if you're going to carry your stupid body.
Don't you dare move.
I said get into the car.
Don't you dare move.
Try and get into this car and see if you're going to carry this dead body.
Stop there!
You're the king! I'm always lying and lying! Your owner has finished this fight! You are the king of kings! And you are king! You think!
This is the height of it. Can you imagine the insult? Look at the way she was talking to you as if you were a nobody. Honestly, you are beginning to make me feel you are a weakling.
Enough! Next time you refer to me as a weakling, you saw what I'll do to you. Seems you've forgotten what I'm capable of doing. What has come over you? Have you lost it?
Apologies, my king, but I do not want them to go near any of those cars. The online taxi has started operation in this town. If they need to go anywhere, they can order online and go wherever they want to go to. I don't want them to use any of the cars.
It is obvious now. The older man and her daughter, they are looking for what they will die in their hands. I don't want to have useless blood in my hands. Never. Never to worry. I am watching them closely. They will fall into my trap someday. I am that brother is a thing say Belisa of whom will kill them. I move. When my spirit moves. You can move, man.
I know what she wants to achieve in this place. She wants to create a problem so that we all begin to avoid her. But she will not succeed. And we'll have to fight her with everything we have. If you allow her buy you from using that car, she'll eventually buy you from using anything.
Mother, I have come to realize that she derives pleasure in creating tension in this palace.
But I do blame you for everything, Ifnaya.
Mom, what are you talking about?
I have told you countless times to open your eyes and talk back at her each time that she tries to intimidate you. But what do? You play her card. Things are not done this way.
Mother, I was only trying to respect her as my queen.
As your queen? Does she respect herself as one? Does she? Or may I remind you that you are a princess in this palace? And this palace belongs to your father. Forget the fact that your half-brother hijacked that crown and sat on that throne. You have an equal right in this palace as she does. If she barks like a dog, roar like a lion, like your mother, for what?
Mother, if I roar like a lion, then I will go a step further and tear her into pieces.
More like it.
Those idiots are so daring.
Don't they know that you're the queen of this land?
Chinenye, you do not need to worry yourself. One day, they will definitely fall into my trap. And trust what I can do.
Could you imagine that idiot? What's her name? Ifunaya. I wonder.
You know, babe, you
should have given that girl a dirty slap or even beat her up. What nonsense!
I have told you people not to worry. When the time comes, my husband and I will treat this the way we want. Don't worry. Greetings. Hey! Hey! Come back here.
Me? No, me! That's why you be like your dirty legs here. Are you crazy? Come back here.
How dare you? How dare you?
My queen, what did I do?
Excuse me? Hey. Did you just ask me that question?
You mad? Listen, let this be the very last time you will walk past me without bowing and saying a word of greeting to me. Have you lost your sanity? Do you hear her? And this will only be the last time you will walk past me without greeting. For I am Chineye, the queen's friend. Is that clear? Now zoom out. Get over here, my friend. I said get out. Come on, my friend. But that was indeed a dirty slap.
And that is how I will continue to deal with those fools who do not want to give me the respect that I truly deserve as the queen of this kingdom.
Just nonsense.
I still don't get it. You haven't told me why she slapped you.
Papa, not to know. She only claimed that I did not greet her. Meanwhile, it's not true. Because I greeted her.
Mona Lisa, all you do in this kingdom is to find trouble. And now, my daughter.
Papa, even her friends were fully in support with what she did to me. They are busy there drinking vodka like men. Papa, where are you going?
I'm going to the office.
I thought we were not going anywhere today. It's afternoon already.
Yes, I know. I wasn't even meant to go anywhere today because initially I planned to accompany my friend Edozie to go see his maternal people. But he said someone to tell me we won't be going again. So I thought instead of staying back at home, let me just go to the office and make use of my time.
Malo, since you've given today to your friend and you cancelled it, why don't you stay in the house and rest? Don't you like to rest?
Mom, a man is meant to work and not to rest. Moreover, I'm an architect. My job is not that stressful. I could as well rest at the office.
I had wanted us to discuss one or two things about the king.
The king? What about him?
My people, promise me you're not going to confront him again. Leave that crown for me, Pico.
Mom, this is not even the time to discuss this. Let me get to the office first.
Okay, but if you must do anything, use the courts, please.
I will not waste my time with the courts. I believe in natural justice. I will torment him until he releases what he has done.
She's like my daughter for practically 3 months. Isn't that injustice, Your Majesty? She and her friends humiliated my daughter as if she was nothing in this land. With due respect, Your Majesty, the queen is becoming something else in this kingdom. I mean, what kind of a queen will act the way she acts?
Oh, shut up! How can you talk ill about my wife like that? How?
Your Majesty.
I said shut up! How dare you eat your mother? How dare you march into my throne room and talk ill of my wife, Mona Lisa?
Your Majesty, but
Any one more word from you, eat your mother, I will cut off your head. Now listen, let me make this clear to you. Mona Lisa, she is my wife. I'm queen of this kingdom. That gives her every right to do whatever that pleases her.
You are going to give absolute power to the woman because she is your queen?
Oh, it's your mother. Don't twist it. Don't bring absolute power into this. You should be happy that my wife slapped your daughter, maybe possibly for correcting her for the silly mistake she made. You are here telling me, listen, let me tell you. Don't you ever speak this to anyone or any other place. Am I understood? Get out. Get out! Nonsense! I message you, say, listen. You will see me. I will try.
Igitingere etinyisi ebelisi somo beze akwata etinyisi ebelisi etinye
My husband and my king.
Yes, my queen. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
As you can see, Etinyisi ebelisi is always doing fine.
Indeed, you should be my king. A man who is privileged to have a woman like me as his wife. Owe it to the gods to be fine and happy always. My king, take a very good look at me. Look at me properly, my king. I am the summation of feminine beauty. And you know how dangerous I can be when the door is shut.
Mona Lisa, stop saying things that will make me go crazy.
You will not go crazy, my king.
I have a meeting to attend.
You are that king who never runs short of ideas. Whatever I say or do will never make you lose focus. That reminds me, my friends sent their regards.
Oh, that's okay. My queen, Ichie Umona was at the throne today.
Ichie Umora?
Yes, the father of the maiden who slapped her today.
Don't tell me he came to complain to you about what happened earlier.
Exactly.
And what did you tell him?
I warned him never to return to my throne with such complaint again. Never in his life.
Very good, my husband. We own this land and everything in it. Adamaka.
Adamaka, my wife. But you know, I still want you to tell me what happened.
My husband, can you imagine that Difra walked past me without bowing and saying a word of greeting? Wasn't that an insult?
It was an insult. I knew it. Don't mind them. Those are stupid bunch of fools. Stupid and foolish individuals.
I know.
You know what? You are my queen. Wife of Eze Etinyisi Ebelisi of the kingdom.
What?
Anybody that messes with you in this kingdom, discipline the person.
Definitely.
You have the order. You have the right to do it as my queen.
Thank you, my king. You're so sweet.
Oh, you know, this land belongs to you and I as Etinyisi Ebelisi. We have the right, the impetus, the audacity or the nerve to do whatever we want to do. We have every right to exercise the power the way we wish.
Exactly. My king.
Call me as Etinyisi Ebelisi, one of whom of the kingdom.
As Etinyisi Ebelisi.
Only try Etinyisi and
I trust.
I'm really very sorry I have not been calling like I should. Reason is because I have a lot of work on my head.
I perfectly understand. You are a hard-working young man, and that's one thing I like so much about you.
Thank you, man. I really appreciate whenever anybody tells me that.
What about the crown? You know we have to continue fighting until we succeed. You should be wearing that crown because it rightfully belongs to you, and not that one that parades himself around as the king.
Thank you. I must tell you I'm glad and I appreciate your support all this time, right from the beginning. I'm a child of destiny and I move with the gods. I believe in due time I'll get what's rightfully mine. The one who calls himself Eze Etinyisi Ebelisi can go ahead and enjoy the crown while it lasts. But at the fullness of time, I will wear that crown as king of Umu.
You see, you are blessed with lots of wisdom. why won't you make a good king?
Thank you, mother.
I know that the gods are not asleep.
Yes.
Greet your mother for me when she comes.
Okay.
Let her know I came around. Make sure you call me anytime you have a question.
I sure will. I will forget
My
that.
line will be on.
Thank you very much.
I am talking to you, Funaya, or have you suddenly gone dumb?
What is your problem? Lolo Mona Lisa.
Hey! So it has gotten to the extent that you answer me back with a question. And not just a question, an insulting one at that. Do you want me to clip these wings of yours? Huh?
You are looking for trouble. I have been avoiding you because you are married to a man my father called his son. I don't know how much longer I will tolerate this. Do not push me too hard.
Please shut up your mouth! What's the meaning of that? I mean, is this a dream or what? I am talking to you and you want to walk out on me? You're even talking back at me. What's the meaning of this?
Listen, I am tired. I need to take a nap.
Hey! Wait! Where exactly do you think you're going? Are you trying to walk out on me? Eh?
Mona Lisa, if that's your own interpretation, yes. And that's because you've got nothing important to say.
Hey!
And for your information, your words are dry.
Oh, please take your thinking out of this place! And not take your thinking out! Take your thinking out and get in! Foolish idiots! Idiots! Ha! I've suffered in this palace! What's what I see? Let me watch it now!
Why didn't we go to your maternal place like we discussed? What happened?
Oh, nothing really. My uncle who we're supposed to see decided to come over.
Oh.
Yes, he sent a message, so there's no need there was no need to travel again.
That's fine. At least that gave me time to go back to work and finish the design for the Ministry of Finance.
That's good to hear. Hi, Yodogu. You have indeed become a prominent architect working for government ministries.
Well, we have the gods to thank for their benevolence. What can we do? That reminds me, did I tell you I saw Funaya?
Funaya, our ex-friend?
Exactly.
Ha! Hey! I hope she didn't remind you of how to take the crown.
Of course she did. Hey! Just fun. And I'm beginning to see that woman as the only decent character in that royal home.
Are you serious? A character that foments trouble is what you see as decent? Why can't that woman let you be? Yeah?
Foment trouble, how?
Yes! Just like I always tell you. Forget Eze, Etisi, Belusi, and the crown. You know how deadly and unpredictable that king is. Yeah? Stop listening to that woman that sows evil seed in you. Ibezim, she has a family problem with her stepson who is not king and she wants to rope you in. Yeah? Listen, if care is not taken, you will be the one that will receive the bullet.
Enough! Enough, Edochie!
What is wrong with you? I'm telling you the truth, my brother. Listen, you are already blessed as an architect. Definitely soon you will become one of the millionaires we have in this land. Eh? Leave that monster alone. I'm telling you the truth as a true friend.
Can you stop this? Because seriously, you're beginning to give me the impression that you are afraid of that tyrant that is always out to intimidate.
Yes. Yes, I am afraid of him. Yes! Because his long association with the wizards of Edo and Kogi made him mean and very brutal. Do you know how many guns that king has in his palace? Do you know? If you're not very careful, one day he will shoot you and
Will you just stop this? Stop it! You are Edochie and I am Ibezim. We are two different people. I fear no man. Talk more of one who stole what doesn't belong to him. I am the rightful owner of that crown of Omunwe. And whether he likes it or not, I will have it someday.
What is wrong with you, Ibezim? What is wrong with you? Okay, does it mean you don't understand what is happening here or what?
Enough, Edochie. It's obvious to me you are on my mother's side. I would like us to change this topic because I do not need any negative vibe around. Please.
That was what Ichie Mother told me. And sincerely speaking, my king, that was very wrong of you.
Now what are you talking about?
The queen shouldn't have slapped his daughter, for she did nothing wrong. But let's assume she did something wrong. Slapping her is act of one taking law into her hand. And in the Dissent society such as this, such should not be allowed to happen.
Onowa Hameze, are you confirming to me that the reason why you came to my palace this afternoon, just because of what you said?
What I told you is the truth, undiluted. And a king such as you should not misunderstand that.
Oh no, if not for one thing, I would have said you a stupid man.
You already called me a stupid man. Stupid man, my king. And with due respect, it is unacceptable. Even your father in his majesty wouldn't have called me that.
Oh no, what is wrong with all of you elders in council? Why the continuous comparison between my father and I? He is gone! I am not the one in charge.
Are you not aware you are insulting the men in council? And that is not good for you as a king.
Really?
And always remember that you are not the one that's supposed to be wearing my crown.
Oh, this is not happening. Do you want me to kill you?
Can you kill me?
I'll pretend that I didn't hear that. You won. Next time you vomit such atrocity from your mouth, you will disappear from this only. And I will let you that with my mouth.
It has not gotten to the extent of killing somebody, my king. I only plead with you to see me as the bearer of the truth.
You know nothing. Leave! I am Ezetinise Belisi of Umuzi. I am your king. There's nothing no one, including you. You're not choosing. As we see. If you can't do.
And what did you tell her?
Nothing. I just walked out on her.
Peter, that is how I want you to treat her. She can only bark like a dog. She can't do anything.
Obviously. But Mom.
Yes.
I still don't understand what you always mean when you say my half-brother Omora hijacked the crown. Please talk to me, Mom. Please.
My dear, it's not as if I'm hiding anything from you. It's just that I don't like talking about it.
Mom, please. I really need to know. Don't forget I'm also a member of this royal family. It would be nice for me to ask outsiders about my own family. Please, Mom, that's why I need to know.
What kind of sickness is this? The specialists, even the hospital, say that he is okay. But my husband is not well.
That will make you know that this is not an ordinary sickness. It is possible it has something to do with the gods.
And what is the meaning of that?
You know exactly what I mean. The only person I strongly believe that will solve this is Ogbuefi Anakweze. But as we both know, he is currently not in Omunre.
Then go and get him. I don't want to lose my husband. Please, so no.
I'll go to Abagana myself and fetch Ogbuefi Anakweze.
But I gathered that whenever Ogbuefi Anakweze visits Abagana, he spends lots of time there. Would he be able to follow you immediately when you get there?
We use things like this to test people's commitment. I don't believe that a man of Umuri will remain in Abagana if he is told by the Onowu of Umuri that the Igbo of Umuri is dying and needs his help. My king, Ezizomaka the first. You will be fine, my king. Nothing will happen to you.
No, I'm sorry. You should know the kind of medicine I practice. I practice traditional medicine. And to the best of my knowledge, the king does not believe in that.
The situation at hand goes beyond what he believes as a man. He is terribly sick. And if nothing is done, and fast, Eze Izuamaka will just join his ancestors.
Why didn't he seek solution from medical science? That is what he believes in. Why come all the way to Abagana just to search for me?
Medical science has given up on him. And the most disturbing aspect is that they cannot pinpoint what his problem is. You are one of our own. Please come home and help us. We need you now.
If it had gone beyond medical science, it means forces of nature are at work.
Exactly. And you remain the only one who can solve a problem as complex as that.
I believe that this man will get our father back on his feet pretty soon. I am indeed very happy. Alright. You're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say?
Alright, don't understand. Is it that you're not happy that someone is here to heal our father? Of a condition which medical science could not help us all this while?
Chukwudi! How many times did I call you? Tell me, I am very, very busy. I have important things to do.
Alright, don't understand. What could be more important than our father's ailments right now? Tell me.
This is the first time in few weeks that he ate well. That means that he's getting better.
Of course. And just a few days more, he will recover fully.
Wilfie, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks belong to the gods.
Thanks you very much. I will continue to thank you for what you did for me.
Oh yes, I refuse to be thanked. All thanks must go to Chukwudi Kabiama.
Thank you so much.
I beg to take my leave.
Good to see you. How are you?
I am fine.
And how is the king?
Like I said to the queen, His Majesty will fully recover in a few days.
The king will surely reward you when he fully recovers.
Exactly. When medical science gave up on him, he came in and rescued him. He will surely reward you handsomely.
Now that you are here, I'm practically saying the same thing as the queen. I need to make this clarification once more. I am a man of the ancestors and I do not do any work. Chukwu Okike will heal the king. And His Majesty can find a way to do us. Please, I beg to take my leave.
Go well. Men like him are very yes. Yes, send the best. Welcome.
Omra, have you said it? Have you seen that Ogbuefi Anakwenze has healed our father? Have you confirmed it for yourself now?
Chukwudi, I am not interested in this song. If you want to sing that as a song, you can go to the studio, book a session. I am not interested.
I don't understand. Are you not happy with this news? Why are you sounding this way?
Chukwudi! Mind the way you speak to me. I am still your elder brother.
I don't understand. Am I disrespecting you in any way? I am only here to share the good news of our father's recovery. It's my own brother and you're calling this a disrespect?
Hey, shut up, shut up. As you can see, I was busy meditating before you came in. I'm not interested.
Fine. My mother said she wants to see you. Can we go now, please?
Go and tell your mother that I, Donsonga, I am not interested in seeing anyone. Get out.
Mother, can you imagine? And I told Onwura that you asked to see him. And he flew up, accusing me of disrespecting him. I don't just know what is eating him up, Mom.
Don't mind that brother of yours. He's a sadist. He's frustrated because Ogbuefi Anakwenze healed your father. He must have wished him dead so that he can take over the crown.
Mother, how is that possible? Could it be that heartless?
I'm saying what I'm thinking of him. And you must begin to avoid that your brother. Is that clear?
I would have been dead by now if not for Ogbuefi Anakwenze. At the time, I thought I was going to join my ancestors. But he came and changed that. He stopped that from happening. Ogbuefi, thank you very much.
Is this why we are here? I have said in private and still in the open that I do not need to be thanked. Oh no, my queen, did you not tell the king what I said?
Ogbuefi Anakwenze,
Your Majesty.
they will not tell me because I am not going to take that. A token of my appreciation of 5 million naira. Take it and do not say no.
Your Majesty, I am not saying no, but I will not take them. Please.
What? Ogbuefi, you will not take 5 million naira?
Yes.
What then do you want from the king?
Nothing. If the king wishes to thank me, he can as well call a Thanksgiving party in the palace. I will come, every other person will come, then we'll celebrate. I personally, I do not want anything.
Ogbuefi Anakwenze,
Your Majesty.
you are such a kind person. You refuse to collect the money How then will I reward you?
Nothing, Your Majesty. The most important thing here is that you are healed. And that is what matters. Please.
My ancestors will rise against me if I do not reward the man that healed me. Ogwevi, in my honor, I vow solemnly that your offspring will reign after me.
My king, that is quite expensive. You don't have to say that. Please.
Ogwevi Anakwenze,
Your Majesty,
I have spoken, and the people coming after me will hold on to that as a royal promise made by the king to a man that has the heart of kings. It is my decision and it is final.
Father, I decided to wait so that everybody will go. That promise you made to Ogbuefi and Akwenze, I hope it was a joke.
A king in my level does not joke with such a thing. I spoke as a king and he stands.
What?
That man has a heart of kings. He's extremely selfless. And I'm guided by my spirit that his descendant will make a good king after me.
Oh, Father! This is pure madness. How could you make such a promise? I am the one who must reign after you.
That you are my son does not mean you must reign after me. Kingship is spiritual, and that is why the gods will rise against anybody who conspires against the king.
But Father, you have conspired against me. When you know that I'm the coming king, how could you send my birthright to such reckless promise?
It's not a reckless promise. I made a royal promise to that man, and he stands. It's unfortunate you do not understand a lot of things.
What is there for me to understand, Father? Tell me. Father, this is not fair. This is not fair. Father, you purposely sold my birthright to the son of a commoner. A commoner's offspring. Father, I know why you're doing this. I know why you're doing this. Because my mother is no more.
Shut up! Shut up your mouth and don't bring your mother into this. Will you rather have me dead?
Father, would have become the king if you had died. Now to watch another man's son, to watch a son of no man take what I think belongs to me. Father, that is not fair.
You have a very bad spirit, and that is why the gods did not lead me to see you as my replacement. You are my son, and I know you are wicked and evil. Do not even try to reign after me, because time will cut you short. Time will cut you short. Now, get out of my sight. Get out! Get out!
You know you're just recovering from a terrible sickness. You have to calm down. And you don't need anything that will make you this angry.
Then he will know how to talk to me.
Maybe it's about the promise you made to Ogbuefi.
Exactly! Who is he? Who is he?
Oh, Your Highness.
But Father, don't you think you went too far by making that promise to that young man?
I don't think so. For my spirit encouraged me to do what I did. Kingship is of the spirit, is of the gods, and the gods encouraged me to do this.
Your Highness, I know that you are a king that stands with the gods.
I know you have a good reason for taking such decision, but I want to assure you that I will stand solidly behind you.
I trust you, Lolo. Ezibunye. Thank you very much.
You have to calm down.
No, I'm still confused.
I am equally confused, my dear. I was not expecting him to make such an extreme promise.
So, what do you think?
There's nothing I can do about it. You and I know that nobody goes against the king's decision.
Does it mean one of our sons will take over from Ezuzwamaka?
As it stands, I would say yes. Either Chijoke or Ibe, his younger brother, will emerge a king after His Majesty.
I'm not comfortable with this. What about the princess? Okay, what about somebody like Prince Onwura, who everybody knows as the crown prince? How will they feel? How?
I understand where you are coming from. To be honest, I do not buy the idea. But I do not have any choice. The man who bears the staff of the king has made a declaration, and all men and women who pray and expect answers from the gods do not have a choice than to respect that decision of the king.
This is getting more confusing. How will people say this? I wouldn't want a situation where people will get angry that we're trying to harvest where we've not cultivated.
Like I said earlier, there is nothing I can do about it. The king has spoken and that's final. Please give me my food.
It all happened when you lived with my mother. And the king made a promise. A few days after, your brother Chikudi went missing.
No.
My lord, he's nowhere to be found.
I don't understand. What do you mean he's nowhere to be found?
Your Highness, I've searched everywhere and I can't find him.
Maybe he went somewhere. He'll be back. Lolo, do not worry.
Your Highness, I know my son. He's supposed to be here. For him not to be here, something is wrong somewhere.
You think so?
Yes, Your Highness.
Then call the head guard for me.
Oh, okay.
Lolo, please calm down. Calm down. You're making the whole thing seem as if he's dead or something.
My son is missing and you're asking me to calm down, Your Highness?
Don't conclude that he's missing. Please, do not conclude that he's missing. Maybe he went somewhere.
Somewhere like where? The police has no updates. Where is my son? Why should I calm down? How?
Did he tell you anything?
And if he told me something, why must I wait for you to ask?
Answer the question the way I asked it.
You did not tell me anything.
This wicked soul of yours will kill you one day. Now get out of my sight. Uloma, stop crying. I feel your pain. He's my son as well. Please, stop crying. Crying will not solve anything.
Your Highness, it's a month already. My son got missing without any trace. Is it not clear that he is dead?
He is not dead, Uloma. He is not dead. Our son is not dead.
Your Highness, you think so?
Yes.
So where is my son?
Uloma, please stop crying. What will your daughter say when she comes back from your mother's and sees you crying? Please, stop crying. Let us not lose hope. That is all I am saying. Let us not lose hope.
He disappeared without a trace. That is why I don't like talking about it, because it breaks my heart. Your father suffered the same fate. He slept and didn't wake up.
It's a royal place.
I still can't believe this.
He slept and didn't wake up. Just like that? How is that possible? I am still in shock. But wait, give us assurance that he has been healed. That is what I just said. I am still shocked. When I said he was healed, it was a credible submission. He was healed and had no reason to die in his sleep.
He was not sick. I lost my son. And then my husband. But just tell me, who did I offend?
It's okay.
Call me Mary.
It's okay. You did not offend anybody. No, you did not. Today began.
Take that, my baby. What has happened. You know, you can't question the gods.
Exactly. The gods make it come. But surely, they are not as evil. Yes. Yes.
That means we buried the dead king and crowned the new one.
Of course.
In line with the royal promise made by the late king before his departure.
Yes.
That means the first son of Ugwefi and Ekwenze, Chijioke, will be crowned the next king.
Never! Never! Impossible. Not when I, King Sonula, am still alive.
Why are you shouting, my prince? You know it's a promise made by your father, the late king. And you know we can't go against it.
Oh! My father said that because he thought I was a fool. He thought I was a coward that will allow my better to be given to another. I will prove to all of you. All of you! I will prove to all of you that it's a coward. I will fight for that which is mine and nothing any of you can do about it. This crown is mine. Nothing anybody can do about it. I will wear it on his head. My prince, oh Shiajan, shut up! Shiajan.
But my prince,
If I hear any one more word from you, I will cut off your head. Fool!
What are you doing?
Shut up! This is matter of you and the other. And none of you can claim that I don't know how it goes. All you things here, then I see. Get it up, pick it. What are you doing? Pick it up.
Clown me. By the power vested in me as you know of this land, I crown you. Ezra, is your matter?
Oh! I'm not paid for that nonsense negotiation. Come and sit down. Go.
Fools!
If you can't have one, what do you want for me? Sorry,
He hijacked the crown that your late father promised Ogbuefi Anakwenze and his family. Though Ogbuefi Anakwenze and his first son, Chijioke, tried so hard to reclaim the crown. Unfortunately, they both died the same day.
Oh.
They were killed by thieves along the road between Nimo and Abacha.
Mom, now I understand what happened. But why didn't you tell me all of this when I returned? Why?
My dear, I'm sorry. It's just that it breaks my heart each time I remember all that happened. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Mom. But it's not obvious that Onra is the brain behind those events. Why wasn't he arrested?
On what evidence? We are not sure. That is why we are leaving everything in the hands of the gods, for them to perfect their will. I pray that Ibezim, Ogbuefi's son, reclaims the crown. I stand solemnly behind him. Your late father knew that your stepbrother was a beast. Wow, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Mom.
I told you, didn't I?
You did, Your Highness. And I will always love you.
Oh, that sounds so lovely. You know, that's the only thing that I know. You love me and you forever love me.
Yes.
Equally can even die for me.
Yes, Your Majesty. But what about the money you promised to wire into my account?
Oh, I forgot. You know, I have so many things going on in this head of mine.
I know.
I will tell my bankers to do it immediately.
Oh, Your Majesty, you're so sweet.
What is the meaning of this? How can you barge into my throne like a white animal?
I don't care what you call me, but I've only come to remind you that your days on this throne are numbered.
Is that a threat? Oh, we have the temerity to barge into my throne to threaten me. Eze, Etinise Belisi, one of whom? The only thing you know of whom? Oh.
By the witness verdict of the late king, Ezizuamaka of Umunri, this throne, this crown, belong to me. You can keep parading yourself as king, but you know what will happen when the gods decide to strike. Save yourself and hand me this crown that you have hijacked.
You are dangerous for saying that to me! I knew your plan. Yes, you want me to kill you, so I'll have your cursed blood in my hands. Never! Never to worry. You will meet your miserable end, just like your useless father and brother. Fool. Get out of my sight! Leave! Get out!
What? Don't even try to look at me that way again. Otherwise, I am going to redesign this useless face of yours with my nails this moment.
When a king has his wife as his only supporter, obviously that man is not the king of Umunri.
What sort of insult is that? Your Majesty, is my support not mightier than the support of 1 million fools out there? Your Majesty, I do not know why you have allowed this fool to keep living. He's continually undermining your relevance.
Do you actually think I've not been doing something? I have done everything possible to eliminate this idiot, to eliminate this fool. Secretly, but none has worked out.
It is not enough, Your Majesty. You have to put more effort. We cannot lose this throne to him. We cannot.
Never! Never!
Why are you doing this to me, Basim? Why?
I'm not doing anything to you, mother. I'm only fighting for my rights.
What rights are you talking about? Do you want to lose your life? Why do you always forget you are all that I have?
Nothing is going to happen to me. The fact that he caught my father and brother unawares does not mean that will be my fate. His father made a royal promise to my father, and that I must get.
What is wrong with you? You mean hear me? Yeah? Why can't you listen to your mother? Why can't you listen to her?
I am a son of Umuri, and by the gods I will do anything to get what was promised my father. Desist from working against me, Edochie, else I will rank you an enemy.
Ibesim, Edochie is right. He's telling you the truth. Stop this emotional blackmail and listen to us. Get anything. The man you are fighting against is a deadly tyrant who can do anything to retain the crown. He can kill you.
He cannot do anything. He's an impostor. And he must give me what belongs to me. That's my point.
It's a royal.
What is wrong with Ibesim? I'm not going to hear me.
That the king made it to my father. I know I'm not a prince, but the blood runs in me. Cause I know one day I'll be king.
That fool had the guts to come into the king's throne room and vomited that rubbish. I felt like designing his face with my nails.
What an insult. And what did the king say about that?
He couldn't have said much. The boy is becoming a threat to him.
Huh?
Yes, he's becoming a problem to him.
But it shouldn't be that hard.
How do you mean?
See, he should just bring him down.
You mean to eliminate him?
Exactly. People that defend the crown can go to any extent. Or you don't know?
You honestly think that my husband hasn't been trying? He has done every possible thing to bring him down secretly, but all to no avail. It always fails.
Wait, could it be he has a charm that protects him or something?
I wouldn't know, my sister. I can't tell. With the way this whole thing is going, I am scared. Because I cannot lose my royal status to that fool. I can't.
No, you will not lose your status, my queen. You will not lose your status.
Is there any suggestion you have?
You've forgotten that one thing must kill a man.
That's true. I think you have a point. What exactly could that be?
Don't worry. I'll tell you girls right away.
As days go by, it becomes more of a problem. Why is it so hard to eliminate him? Just the way I eliminated his brother and his father. What shall I do? How do I solve this?
The more I try to forgive you and accept you as a good man, the voice of my husband keeps echoing in my head. You are very evil, but you will not succeed in destroying the image of this.
You should be very careful with me, Loma. You should be very careful. I know why I'm still tolerating you.
Because you think that one day I will grant your request and go down with you. You are so pathetic. And what makes you think that I will allow a demonic element like you grace the woman in me? You should be very careful.
If you finally force me to remember what I've already forgotten, you will regret
why you don't choose to act like me. Do you understand that?
You are a beast.
Oh, I can see that you are busy with work as usual. How are you?
Sorry, do I know you?
Oh no, you don't. But I do know you.
Okay, so you are not from this town, I guess.
Yes, I'm from Honorable. My name is Ogoma.
Okay, so how may I help you?
I know it might sound crazy to you, but the truth is that I'm crushing on you.
What?
I'm in love with you.
Hey, stop this! How dare you? The next time you try a thing like this, you will not remember how you died. Now you go and tell whoever sent you that you didn't see me. And let me not ever see you around those premises again. Get out! This man is not giving up.
That girl just called. She said she went to Ibezim's office. And the fool Ibezim chased her out and warned her never to allow him set eyes on her ever again.
I knew it. I said it. I knew this whole thing was a complete waste of time. Let's put heads together and think of what next to do.
My queen, I am saying this differently.
How?
Chineye must have engaged the services of a local girl that can't even seduce a man.
I beg your pardon? Why are you doing me right now? Nena, what is it?
I will get someone to do it.
You get someone to execute the job?
Yes, you heard me.
No problem.
The person you brought from Urago failed. So allow me do it. Allow me do it my way.
What are you feeling like, madam? That you can execute job more than Moabu Chineye?
Of course, yes.
How?
I can
How can you do that?
I can't. Look at me now. I can do it what I know.
Already, enough! What is all this? We do not have time for this. We have an issue at hand to tackle. You are here making noise.
Sorry.
If she says she wants to get someone, allow her get the person.
Tell her.
All I want is for that useless idiot to join his ancestors. That's all. Please.
So that is the reason we are here. It is your duty as the king to look into it. Your Majesty, did you hear what I said? Onyeze.
What makes you think you all can walk into my throne anytime you desire?
Your Majesty, this is a matter of urgent kingdom importance. We came because...
Shut up! Shut up. Only for your information, I am not in the right frame of mind to discuss this. You can welcome back later.
But Your Majesty,
do not provoke me. Don't get me angry. Get out. Leave. All of you leave. Fools! Vagabonds! Wild! Idiots!
What are you doing here?
I like you. And there's nothing wrong in telling a man he likes. If I say man and I like him, there's nothing wrong in approaching him. That's why I'm here.
How much?
How much? Oh, what are you talking about? Do you want me to pay you before you do anything with me?
How much were you paid for this?
for this. You're confusing me.
You and your sender must be very senseless to think you can break me with this useless stunt.
I like you, and that's why I'm here. Isn't it a pleasure for you to take me?
If you don't get out of this car now, I will mess you up.
I like you, and that's why I'm here.
If I go into this complex and come back and you're still here, you will have yourself to blame for whatever happens to you.
But the blood runs in me, 'cause I know one day we keep.
Your face is not good. What is it?
Is he not that useless man who calls himself the king? He's been sending girls to seduce me to see if he could break me.
I said it, didn't I? We are up against a desperate man who can do anything and everything to remain relevant.
And I will prove to him that he's nothing. His father and his majesty rejected him because he knew how useless he is.
We all know he's useless. But he has hijacked the crown. Ibezim, that man can do anything and everything to retain that crown.
I'm telling you, your mother is right. He's right. No, do you want to lose your life simply because of this crown? Oh yes, we all know that royalty comes with prestige and wealth, but all those can never be compared with life.
Like I said before, he will not do anything to me. He should keep doing what he's doing to bring me down. At the end, we shall see who goes down.
I don't know how else I'll explain what happened back there. The truth is, it's not one of those men.
Will you shut that useless thing you call mouth? What kind of nonsense is this? Why is it that none of these fools can execute a very simple job? A very simple one at that. What nonsense is all this?
Madam. Madam what? I thought you said this girl here is going to execute the job. Come on, babe. I am disappointed in you. Just a simple job.
I'm surprised nobody is saying anything to what I just said.
That is because you never said anything reasonable, fool. And it's high time you left my presence. Leave!
Your sister in there. She said you should leave her presence. Get out!
Oh. She's still standing.
I'm not leaving until you balance me.
What? Wait. Your balance? For real?
Get out of your miserable self. Out of this place. What impudence! You did not succeed in the mission you were commissioned and you want to be paid. Oh my goodness.
Maybe we shouldn't be asking this madam know it all. Did you see what you just lost? Bringing a twat to come and do job for us.
Chine, please stop with your stupidity. We already have a situation here to handle.
Okay.
We should be thinking of a way forward and not all this. What's this?
This is so annoying. A simple job.
My queen, you have to calm down. Please just calm down. Okay?
I've had it up to here. Here!
He thinks he can destroy me by sending those daughters like Jezebel my way.
Doesn't he want you dead?
Of course! That is what he wants. But it will not work for him.
Never at all. I am solidly behind you. Son, you see that crown that my late husband promised you is rightfully yours, and you must wear it, no matter what it does.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate this.
What? Huh? And what are you in my palace?
A criminal is one who goes any length to take what belongs to another. You are the criminal here.
Oh, you have the guts to talk back at me!
I will tell you anything I like because you're a thief. This crown belongs to me. Keep parading yourself as king. When the time is right, I will come for it. I'll see you later.
Oh, now. Go well, huh?
And you?
How many times have I warned you to stop bringing that criminal into this palace?
Was there a criminal in this palace?
Unless if we go with the definition given by the good man.
And who is the good man?
Ibrahim, the son of Owefi and Akwente. The man that just left here, he is a good man.
Oh, shut up! I can see both of you are conspiring against me. It's obvious you've forgotten what I'm capable of doing.
Now let me warn you. Never you again in your entire miserable life will you threaten me in this palace. I am a widow to the king that walks with the gods. You can do nothing. I know virtually everything that you think you know.
Olama, you are pushing me. You are pushing me so hard.
I am not pushing you. You are too basic for me to push. It is your conscience that is already pierced with your hot iron that is pushing you, and it will push you to death.
Olama, why are you threatening me in my palace?
With all due respect, Onwura, you've been the one threatening my mother.
Shut up! If I slap you! And you, Olama, be very careful with me. I may forget that you are my late father's widow and deal with you mercilessly.
And I am telling you to your face, you can do nothing. I am a woman that works with the gods. There is nothing anyone like you can do to
What
me.
is going on here? What exactly is going on here? What kind of stupid talk is that? Are you by any chance referring to me?
No. I'm actually referring to a shadow.
You are a very senseless woman.
Oh, you are the useless fool. You call yourself a queen. I laugh at you.
Hey, if only you knew how terrible your mouth stinks, you wouldn't open this gutter of yours and talk while I'm talking.
You smell worse.
Oh my goodness!
You are a purity. Come on, go on. Go away yourself.
Oh my god! Oh my goodness!
You call yourself a thing, but dead. Oh, you are dead.
Etinyisi, ebelisi, ijigidi jagadada. Etinyisi, ebelisi.
Head off. It is very clear to me that she doesn't have any atom of respect for us. Just take a look at the way she was insulting me. Look at that stupid girl. She had the nerves, the guts to talk back at me, to insult me while I was talking to her. Me, when Mona Lisa, I will surely deal with those people. I will.
No. I don't want you to come between us. I don't want you to be caught in the middle. As a Etinyisi, Ebelisi, I will handle her with her useless data.
Then you better do. You have to be very fast about it. Because the insult is becoming too much. It is becoming too much for me to bear. I cannot stand it anymore. I can't.
I am as a Etinyisi, Ebelisi of Umuri, the almighty Iloko of Umuri. I know how I do my things. When it is done, I shall strike.
You better do, Your Majesty. You better do. And you have to be very fast about it. What's all this rubbish?
I will. Never to worry. She has fully sided with that idiot to bring me down. As it means Ebelisi. I just don't know what to do to bring him down.
You don't have to worry about that. I have everything under control.
You do?
I do.
How?
Very soon, I shall give you a result.
Oh, that's my queen. You see why I am so much in love with you. I am Etinyisi Ebelisi, one of Umuri, the almighty Iloko of Umuri. With you, my queen, I am well pleased.
Always. I believe you can do this, and that is why I personally hired you. I want that fool dead. I don't care how you do it, but you have to be very clinical about it. Leave no trace at all.
You do not have a problem, my queen. But how urgent do you need this?
If it can be done today, I will appreciate it. That is how urgent I want it to be done.
It's alright, my queen. Consider it done.
Did you hear what she just said? 2 babes have tried and failed. I hope you're not prepared to fail.
Trust me.
I just hope so.
Trust me, my queen.
Alright.
Listen, babes. From my observation, I believe she will execute the job.
Yes. I hope so. I am equally positive about it. I mean, I want that foolish man dead.
Seriously, that's what I want.
He's becoming tougher by the day. I cannot sit back and watch him take what rightfully belongs to my husband and I. It can't work.
And to us, by extension.
Of course.
But what about Queen Uloma?
Leave that stupid woman. When the time comes, she will join her miserable husband.
I trust you.
That is why
Queen Mona Lisa.
Does it mean you don't understand the situation on the ground?
Of course I understand, my son. I was even present that day that Ezizwamaka made that promise to your father.
So what are you saying?
What I'm saying is that we have to be careful with Ezizwamaka Ebelisi. I crowned him Ezizwamaka II, but immediately he changed it to Ezizwamaka Ebelisi. Armed with the dreaded sword of Ewenoba, that man can be dreadful.
Oh no. Are you confirming to me here and now that you're still afraid of him?
I know he's not supposed to be our king. But as you can see, the gods have not visited him for forcing us to put that crown on his head. Anyone that wears the ancient crown of Omonri must be respected, even if he's a small boy.
I didn't expect this from you, no. I mean, he used the weapon of our forebears to coerce you into placing that crown on his head. We need to force him to abdicate the crown of Omonri.
But what I just told you is the truth. We have to be careful with Ezetinyisi Ebelo.
Uloma used to be afraid of me. She trembled at the sound of my voice. What change? Why is she now challenging me? Telling me to my face that I cannot do anything. Could it be Ibezim that fortified her? No. Could it be that he fortified her against me? Who is that person that even fortified Ibezim?
And you could not buy for me. Sorry, baby. I just only. I'm sorry, no vex. Greetings, Igwe's wife. Keep your greetings to yourself, you this smelly thing. And listen, do not ever greet me in your miserable life again.
What?
Don't!
What has Ifunanya done this time?
What again? What has Ifunanya done this time? What have you not done? Eh? So you cannot greet us. We are not your level, isn't it? Eh, madam? Hey, I still don't even know the kind of princess she claims to be. I don't know.
I am too refined to join this debased argument.
saying? Look at this fool! Look at this shapeless amoeba talking to me! Listen, I will so deal with you to the extent that you wouldn't know what will hit you.
I was already a princess, born royalty, before you came into my palace as a possession, to be the irrelevant wife to an irrelevant man. Mona Lisa, I am going to deal with you myself.
You are not up to anything close to me. You are senseless, stupid, insensitive, and foolish! And I am telling you to your face! I am telling you to your face that you are too small for me! You can never, ever do anything to me!
You have been ganging up against my mother. I will make you understand that she has the blessings of the gods and the ancestors of Umuri. You're here with this fool.
Yeah, but walk it down.
I will never have
fool.
By the time I am done with the three of you, even the scars on your skin will tremble in fear.
You're a fool!
Princess.
Get out! Come on! Share yourself to the men on the streets.
Princess, my fool.
Shapeless men. Fool.
Busy Mwakoma. Were you having a nightmare? You scared me by the way you rose.
Who are you and what are you doing in my compound?
Don't you know me? My name is Angayeka, Okoro's sister. I have come to see the one I've been admiring from afar and I met him sleeping. So I decided to wait and watch him sleep.
That's not true. My instincts don't lie. You just arrived here now.
That's not true. I have been here watching you sleep. You're such an amazing personality. Watching you sleep will be an awesome experience for the one you'll finally marry.
How much are you paid to do this? Leave my compound.
Oh, come on, Ibezim.
I said leave this. Out! Leave my compound! How can these ones be the future mothers of Umuri people?
My beloved husband and my king.
My elegant queen. You know you're very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
If I look at your face, I had to know when.
I know. As always.
Thank you for being my queen.
And thank you for being my king.
I thought I heard your friends' voices. Where are they?
Yes, they are in the family lounge.
Oh, okay.
Now tell me, how are you?
My queen, as usual, I am always fine with you. I have a new idea.
And what is it all about?
He has continued to send those useless girls to me. From that alone, one can deduce that he's very unintelligent. How would he think that any proper man will fall for just any maiden who comes to seduce him?
Don't even go there. Oh yes, many men will fall.
Probably men like you. How wouldn't I even remember that?
Men like me? What kind of insult is that? What is probably men like you? Huh? To the best of my knowledge, the king might not be the one sending those girls. It was all made up by you. And believe me, you might be wrong.
I will not allow you weaken my conviction. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm sure he was the one sending all those girls. And they're working hand in hand. But I will not let him get to me.
Hi! I am surprised that we have such useless girls in Umuri who will readily go to seduce a man.
Useless men like your useless king will always have access to useless maidens with whom to carry out their useless assignments.
Hi!
But I'm above all of that.
Nonsense king. But you, Ibesim, you have to be very careful.
Of course, I'm careful. If I wasn't careful, I would have fallen for one of them.
But even at that, you still have to be very careful. I've always asked you to forget about the crown, just like your mother, but
Can we just change this topic and talk something else, please?
What does that fool think he is? Why is he so strong for all the babes?
My queen, you needed to have seen the way he pushed me.
You serious?
And why would he be pushing all the ladies like that?
I don't know. I wonder. Wait, is it that this man is not interested in women or something? I don't understand what's going on here. Eh? Please, we have to think of what next to do. I need that idiot dead by all means. This thing is getting me depressed already.
Don't worry, my queen. I will try again.
You will?
Yes, my queen. I will.
And what makes you think you will succeed this time around?
My instinct.
Your instinct?
You better do. For delay is dangerous.
Delay is dangerous indeed. Listen, I do not want you to come back here without a positive answer. Do not let me down.
I won't let you down, my queen.
Alright, I shall credit you once you return.
Thank you, my queen.
I don't know. What does that man think? Look at this beautiful girl with that hair. Yet he couldn't fall for her. Can you imagine? Are you sure he's not one of them? I wonder.
I really think his charm is working for me.
Look at that beautiful girl with that hair. He couldn't just...
Just like I have briefed you already. Simple. You come to ask for her hand in marriage. I know she will agree because she needs a man in her life. If she agrees, I, as a Belisi, a man who sits on the mountain of money, will shock you with what I have for you.
As a Belisi,
you can believe
long will you live. Yes, you will live long.
What you eat will continue coming to you.
You say,
and what you eat you will never come.
He say, then let's begin. You see, actually, I need a woman in my life. So, where is she?
God!
Your Highness. Your Highness.
Go on.
As it pleases Your Highness.
So tell me, how is Umuya?
Umuya is fine. We thank the gods. We thank the gods.
Oh, she's here already.
You sent for me?
Oh, yes. Have a seat. Beautiful wife of my late father. Beauty in its epitome. Illusion of beauty. This is Nzakanam, a man from Umunya.
Yes, a man of Umunya who has carved a niche for himself.
Good for you. Is this why you sent for me?
Oh. He has come to ask for a hand in marriage.
What?
Yes, I have come to take you as my wife. See, if you accept me, I will proceed with the marriage rites immediately.
Please shut up. What would I say in this palace? Why do I have this impression that you've started smoking these banned substances that make one useless?
Oh, Loma, why are you leading useless men into this? You and I know that you need a man in your life, and by the gods, one just came in. I shouldn't have allowed to get married to any man, but in my good nature, I've given my approval. Why can't you be grateful for once?
You want to give your father's widow to another man? Isn't that an abomination?
Oh, I wear the crown of Umuli. I, as a Belisi, I am the one who ruled on abomination, and I've ruled on this one It is not an abomination. Yes, it is not an abomination. See, I promise to take good care of you. In fact, I will love you more than your late husband ever.
Keep quiet. You don't even have a single flesh on those bones. May the gods forgive you, for you know not what you are doing. Amora, I don't have a word for you yet. Stupid.
Oh no, man. You dare call me by my name? You are working out of me. You never come back here. Uneasy. What is our problem? Eh? You know, am I not good enough for her?
I can't believe this. How could he do that?
Just to get me out of this palace.
But what makes him think such could be possible?
Honestly, I don't know. You needed to have seen the skeleton looking man that you brought. Loma, I have suffered. This wouldn't have happened if your father didn't die the way he did.
Of course. Mom, I still find this difficult to believe. He wants to marry off his father's wife to another man? My own mother?
That witch walked out on me. Can you imagine?
I knew it. I just knew it. I knew it would not work.
Oh, how could she? I am her king. She disobeyed me.
But you caused it. You started this. Oh yes. You gave her the right from onset. You shouldn't have. But take my advice. Forget her and face Ibizim, who wants to take the crown from you.
I think you have a point there. Yes. I never wished her dead. I want her to be alive. And watch me and then be crowned.
I can't believe you did what you did today. How do you think your father will feel in his grave?
Do not ever speak to my husband in that manner again. Don't you?
Look at this one. I know you have a hand in this, but both of you will never succeed.
Onra, what you did is not right at all.
Oh, princess! One more word from you, I'll cut off your head.
There is nothing you can do to her.
What?
Did you just hear that? Did you?
Oh, no! I tried to do disobedience, but you keep doing it. If you try it next time, I'll cut your head. Cut your head! Use it to play football.
I am a woman married to a king. I cannot be intimidated. I will always tell you the truth, and the truth you will hear.
Aren't you so shameless? Can you hear yourself speak? The truth. What truth are you talking about? You don't know anything about the truth.
Look at you. Even the soil of Umori can bear me witness that you are fake.
Oh, please.
Now get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Clowns. Empty things.
Get out!
Useless things. Can you imagine the nonsense?
My
husband, please come and sit down. Leave those things. Let them get out of you. Come and sit down, please.
I will cut off your head. Before, nothing will happen.
Something tells me that he didn't just come. He was hired by that fool that calls himself a king.
This is unbelievable. How could he think of such?
I know. Is this not an abomination?
Of course it is.
He wants to chase you out of the palace also because he's beginning to see you as an enemy too.
Exactly. But it can't work.
What kind of man are you? Your father is your maker, remains an opposite of you in all aspects.
No, you will have to deal with this abomination. Talk to him. Warn him never to try such game again with me.
I understand your anger, Lolo. But you know the kind of king he is.
He is not a king. This man is an impostor. And like I always tell him, he should enjoy the crown while it lasts. For the fullness of time, I will claim what rightfully belongs to me.
Exactly. And I am solely behind you. A woman who married an incredible king understands the sacrosanctity of a royal promise. And that royal promise must be obeyed.
Yes! I agree with you completely. But I still suggest we take things easy with him. He's not a popular king, but he still wears the crown of Omonre. So we need to be very careful with him.
What are you doing here?
Dissent, the most handsome, hard-working architect. Indeed, a dream man of all ladies of class. Can you please give me an attention today? Okay, I am sorry about the other day. It's not what you think. Believe me, and you know how. I just have feelings for you and been trying so hard to hide it. But I can't. Please, give me some time to prove this love to you.
I can see you're not afraid.
Ibezim, you are a great man of this land and you know that love is never afraid. I love you. Please give me some time to prove this love to you.
Hey, if you're intelligent, you should have known that your cup is full.
What does that mean?
Now you listen to me. I am Ibezim and not just an ordinary man that a seductress like you can bring down. So you go back and tell whoever sent you that you did not see me. If you try this again, what I will do to you, you will not know it. Did you hear me? Before I go in there and come back into this car, I do not want to meet you here.
Yes, your conclusion seems to be right. It either is one of them or it's normal love.
It could be. Too many men are becoming too many things lately. I appreciate him with everything I have. I was willing to give it to him. He resisted me. Hey! I am fed up. I am completely fed up.
Now, don't be my queen. See, this Ibezim of a guy can resist women, but not all women.
And what do you mean, not all women?
I'll try.
You're not serious?
Of course I am serious.
Well, he knows you're my friend.
And so what? Does that matter? See, babe, I know how to handle such things. Don't worry, I know my ways.
What are you trying to say? Do you actually mean that you can break into him and make him dead?
You talk as if you don't know what I, Chinenye, am capable of doing. Just watch and see. Okay.
It is very clear to me that things are getting from bad to worse. But I want to advise you as your wife. Please, do not give up.
Sometimes I think I'm losing it. And I can't do anything about it. The whole thing just seems mysterious and puzzling.
No. You are not losing anything. And we will never lose anything, for we are winners. This whole thing might seem very difficult at this point in time. But I know full well that we will conquer at the end. I am with you. And I will forever be with you.
You're my happiness. You're my queen. I vow with my honor to love you forever.
You are not just my king, but you are the blood that runs through my veins. I love you so much.
And I love you more. You know what? Tomorrow, I will instruct my bankers to wire you 10 million naira.
Oh my king! That is why I always speak of you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Don't worry. You must be kidding me. What exactly is wrong with that Ibezim? Is he proving to be unstoppable or what? What nonsense!
My queen, I believe there is something that speaks to this guy from the inside. You know, he did not even look at me at all. This guy is something else. No, he is something else. I'm sure Ibezim is really prepared for us. Over-prepared.
Then I think we should think of other ideas, as the one we've been trying is not working.
No, I totally disagree with you.
How do you mean you disagree with me?
We have to try more. And this time, it's your turn.
What?
Yes.
No. What's no? Babe, you have to try. You never can tell this Ibezim guy will just fall for you.
Don't say that, Chineye.
I can't do that. I've never seduced a man in my life. That is because a reason for you to do that never came. Now a reason has finally presented itself and you have to do this for your friend.
Come on, my queen. Seduction is an art. You have to grow in it and master it. It's not something one just dabbles into. It's not.
Nena, are you doing this or not?
Like I said, I want to sell that land at Obasili. And I wouldn't have informed you guys before now. But I don't want it to appear as if I don't have respect for my elders in council.
Your Majesty, why do you want to sell that land?
Is that a question?
That is a question, Your Majesty. And we will appreciate if you could answer us.
Oh! How dare you question my orders?
Don't be offended, Your Majesty. You see, I know where Ichiamora is coming from. That land at all.
Don't make me regret why I call you guys here to discuss this in the first place.
Please, Your Majesty, don't be offended.
No! I will not be offended. You see that land at the Basel? I will sell it. And that is final! I have spoken. Didn't you people hear me? This meeting is dismissed!
My king, why are their faces so faded? Is there a problem?
It's about the land at Obasile. I told them I want to sell it.
You did what? You shouldn't have told them about it. You should have kept it to yourself.
Exactly. I'm even regretting why I told them in the first place.
Huh.
I promise it will never happen again.
Look at you. You wanted to kill an innocent young man. The same young man you took what was promised to him. I thank the gods, for they will always protect their own. They will always protect him.
Oh! You want me to kill you?
You want to kill a widow of the king who is committed to the royal promise? Go ahead. Go ahead and do what you think you can. Now let me tell you, no harm will befall him, and he will surely wear this crown. You can bet me on that. You fool.
If I forget this one thing I fear and kill this woman, what will happen?
That your brother is evil. But I thank the gods, for they will always protect their own. They will never allow any evil come near Ibezim.
You see. But mother, what could have been their plan for sending those women?
They know themselves. What else if not to take Ibezim off their way?
Most times, I wonder why we still believe in the powers of the gods, when it is so glaring that such powers don't exist.
No, my dear. Don't allow that crook to lure you into blaspheming the divinity. Because we don't even know why they have not visited with their justice.
Exactly my argument. Mother, my father, in his wisdom, promised the crown to Wefia Nakwenze's offspring because he knew Onra is a monster. So why then have they allowed the same monster emerge as king and is now scheming to eliminate the legitimate ones? It doesn't make sense.
One thing I know is that he will never have peace.
He shouldn't.
Until he surrenders that crown that he took fraudulently, using the aged sword of the ancient masquerade.
I am so angry right now. I am so very angry. Why shouldn't I be angry? When the one that claims to be your friend will not help you. What kind of a useless friend is that?
My queen, it's not like I don't want to help.
Then what? What is it?
I suggested this before now. We should look for another alternative. It's obvious this is not working.
Fine.
I don't understand you. Is it that you don't understand what we're trying to say here? See, Nina, we want this guy to die a shameful death. That's what we want.
Then why must it be me? Why?
It's because you have not tried. Everyone has, but you haven't.
It's alright. I'll try.
Now you're talking now.
At least you have proven to be my friend.
What is it? So I've not been acting like a friend to you.
No, you have. But now you have done better. Thank you.
Don't give her the whole credit now. I'm not going to give her fire.
You're a troublesome person.
Please bring this guy down.
Yes.
So bring him down.
I trust you.
She has been a thorn in my flesh. All she does is to decide my enemies and make plans how to bring me down and take away my crown. That is why I have invited you, Odibo, all the way from Ibuhabu. Because I know you are a great seer and equally my enemy. What shall I do?
I greet you. I heard all you said, but how do you want me to help you?
If I kill her, my father will rise and kill me. I want her to desist from siding with my enemies and making plans on how to bring me down. I want her to side with me
There is a solution to that.
I am hesitating say Belisi of whom say it.
It might be difficult.
I am ready. Just say it.
Sleeping with her will neutralize her power.
Even without being told by a seer, I know that sleeping with her will go a long way to help. And I have tried several times, but failed. I know guessing a man in her will keep my crown. But I keep failing. Actually, I've given up.
No, you don't have to give up. That is the only solution to your problem.
So look at this. This is a very fine outlook. It's a very nice design. Look at the kitchen overlooking the living room, and that's exactly how it is in the US. I'll send it to your mail if you forward me your email so you can send to your brother. He can give to some architects over there in the States, and when they confirm, we proceed.
I never knew you were this charming. Like seriously, Bezem. No man has ever done this to me before. Men listening to you and I am this wet. Oh, you must be a woman killer.
Shut up. You came with a business plan and I decided to play along. I always knew she has a hand in this.
I don't understand.
They always don't understand. Yes, that's what you all say. You don't understand.
Oh, I guess you're talking about my friend Chine, who came to see you some days ago. Actually, we both like and admire you. We had a bet who you're gonna choose. Unfortunately, she failed. And that's why I'm here. Because I know you will choose me. Come on, Ibezem. You're so sweet.
As if I saw this coming. I never wanted to do this, but you both forced me to. I thought that fool is supposed to be a gentleman. Why would he slap you? Can you imagine?
It wasn't just a slap. It was a serious slap at that. I even thought he slapped off my tooth.
He must be very stupid. He must be very stupid. What does he really think he is? I mean, what is that for feeling like?
Wait, are we supposed to be talking here or making a call to call a lawyer to arrest that fool? How can he assault a girl and go scot-free? He's not done. He should be arrested. Can you imagine?
It feels like I'm dismissing your suggestion. But honestly, this is not the time for unnecessary litigations. This is the time to look for another alternative. Please. Nina, I'm really sorry about it.
Sorry. So what you guys can just say sorry. I regret ever doing this. I regret it. Look at my face. You know. Sorry.
I am so angry right now. All my plans to eliminate that idiot have been futile. He never fell for any of my girls.
I know your plans will always fail. I'm beginning to feel that that idiot fortified himself for the task of taking this crown away from me. It will never work. I swear on my blood. My late father made a useless promise. That promise shall never see the light of day.
Very good. I am very interested in knowing what my husband is about to do.
I have my plans. Oloma seems to be his backbone. I will deal with her first. Every other thing will fall into place.
Very good. Eliminating that evil woman is the way forward. Now tell me, when will the evil widow of your father breathe her last?
Mona Lisa, I have never told you I'm prepared to kill a widow of a king. If that happens, my father will rise and kill me.
Why are you so inconsistent, my love? What are you saying?
Your father did not kill you for undermining his promise. So why would he now kill you for eliminating someone who is already an enemy of the crown?
My wife, I invited Adibo, a great seer from Iwaku. I asked him, what shall I do? He told me that sleeping with Ulama, my late father's widow, will go a long way in helping matters.
Excuse me? What did you just voice out? Sleeping with who? Eh? I don't understand it. Okay, even if he said it, what do you intend to do?
I will do it.
What? You will do what? You will do what with that evil woman?
Oh, come on. I know you feel bad, but it's for our own good.
How do you mean it's for our own good? How is it for our own good? Okay, fine. Uloma is not the major problem we have here. Even if she is, we can do away with her. We can eliminate her.
Mona Lisa, I've told you already I cannot kill her.
Ah, you can't kill her. You are afraid of your father, but you're not afraid of going into his widow. So you're indirectly confirming to me that you have always wanted to have that woman. Eh?
Mona Lisa, how can you say such a thing?
Why would I not say such? Why not? So why would you say such a thing?
If only you knew how many times I had wanted to have her and she resisted me, you will not be talking nonsense.
And what are you thinking?
I'm surprised at you. Yeah? A man who desires to wear the crown of Umuri and sit as king has slapped a woman because she shows him love. No! That is inconceivable.
Will you stop with your emotional blackmail and don't bring it into this? Didn't you hear what I was explaining all the while? I said she's part of a scheme to bring me back.
Ah! That is only your permutations. And trust me, you may be wrong. Huh?
Are you just...
She's a woman. She's a woman.
Are you just plain stupid, or is this your level of intelligence and understanding? I am telling you, my life is at stake.
Don't say that. Don't say that, Ibesimi. Don't say that. Eh? She may have had a good intention. I can tell.
I pity you, Edochie, for your type can easily be killed by a woman. I'm not in your level.
True. Is that an insult?
I don't care. I don't care what interpretation you want to give to it. But it's obvious you're losing it. I have just told you what your useless king has been doing, how he's been pushing useless girls my way to try and seduce and bring me down and destroy me, and all you could sit before me to say is that this one could just come with good intentions. Are you okay? Why am I even having this discussion with you?
Why are you going to... What is your problem? Why are you always getting angry? Any little thing and you flare. Why? What kind of human being is this? You have someone that wants to sit as a king. Look at! Is that the kind of king you have? What nonsense is that?
My love, believe you me, I never wanted to do this. Neither do I want to do it for fun. I only want to gain Ulama's support. I told you because I know you feel so bad if you hear it outside after it has happened. This is that dirty politics you've been hearing about. All I seek is for your support. Lend me your support.
Well, as long as it's going to help us retain the crown.
My queen, I am glad you now understand. Thank you so much. This will help us retain this crown and the money.
But wait, it has to happen just once.
Yes, of course. Once. Ndwa ufundo. Ntinyi for ufuntinya. That's all.
So how do you intend to achieve that?
Trust me. I'll give my own way.
Will you allow Mona Lisa make you take this? See, that guy slapped you. You should take it up with him.
I have just started to think. Wait, why are we even doing this? Why?
Babe, for the money. Do you think Mona Lisa will give us the kind of money she gives us now when that fool finally takes the crown from her husband? Are you thinking that?
I don't want to talk about this anymore. In fact, I don't want to be a party to this anymore.
Really?
Yes.
Why didn't you say that when she was here?
Virginia, don't put words into my mouth. Don't!
Come and shut me up now. Now you're making up. When she was there, you just quiet.
Can you stop talking? You heard when I said don't put words into my mouth.
I don't have to take decision for you.
Excuse me.
You just slapped her and you don't think like that.
I don't understand. You called me here. And why are you looking at me inappropriately? I am your father's widow. Always remember that.
Come on, Lama. Must we always fight and quarrel? We're supposed to be living like one happy family.
Explain yourself. Are you saying I am the problem in this family?
Not at all. You're my late father's wife, and we are supposed to be living like one happy family. We should be living in peace, not quarreling like enemies.
Amora, are you the one saying this?
Oh, of course, it is me. As the thing is a belief of me. I want peace.
What of Ibezim?
What about him?
Would you hand over this crown to him as promised by your father?
Of course, yes. I will. That is part of the peace I'm talking about. You see, I pondered on life, and now I have come to realize that life is nothing but peace.
Well, if this is coming from your heart, I accept.
I hope you're not misunderstanding me if I say you're a very beautiful woman.
Why would I misunderstand that? I know that I am a very beautiful woman. That was why your father never got tired of me.
My late mother was equally a beautiful woman. So, it is naturally in line that my late father was addicted to beautiful ladies.
You can say that again.
Well, hold on. What if I tell you that all this I have said already shall be done on one condition?
And what condition could that be?
Allow me grace the woman in you. Yes. You know I have desired you. I have always desired you. Sometimes I regret marrying my wife. You see, as my father's wife, I was supposed to continue with you. But I was naive. I knew nothing. I think now I am wiser. And that is why I want peace. You see, Ulama, look at it very well. You will see it will cost you nothing. Grant me this request to grace the woman in you, and all the things I have said shall come to pass.
Why is that a condition?
Ulama, I have feelings for you. You will not claim that you don't know already. We know that this feeling has been there. And that is why I want you to create opening for peace to reign forever.
You call yourself a king. and you harbor such abominable act in your mind.
Oh, do not make it look as if it's a taboo. I will make it our little secret. And all the things I've said already shall be done.
You are evil, Omora. I am your father's widow. And I will never allow you grace the woman in me. And let this be the very last time you call me in here to tell me this nonsense.
That land that is far from us might be closer another land. And that which is called taboo, this land, might be way of life in another man's land. If you grant me this request, I vow on my honor to love you forever.
You are clueless. Oh, I am more shocked now than ever. I will assume that this never happened. But next time you call me in here to tell me this nonsense, you will regret your life. Fool.
Mom, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Mom, you don't look okay. What happened?
Sweetheart, I'm okay.
You're sure?
Yes.
I knew it. I knew it wouldn't be that easy. I just knew it. But tell me, what is going to happen now? What do you intend to do about it?
I wear the crown of Umuri. I am a warrior. Warriors don't give up. I will try again.
So you believe that she would agree the next time you try?
I believe so.
Is this what you called me for?
Busy, listen to me. Forget about that crown and focus your mind on getting married. You can't even be a king without a wife.
You're wrong, Mom. We have had a king in Umuri who was never married. I can become a king without getting married. And as a matter of fact, that's what I'm going to do. I will only get married when I become king.
Why are you this stubborn? The man who is a king now is very deadly and he can do anything to retain the crown.
And I will go to any extent to claim what is mine.
Have you become that obsessed? You can now kill because of this?
I never told you I would kill, Mom. But I will fight for what belongs to me.
Where do you think you're going?
It's a royal place that a king made to my father.
People will think I've not been talking to him. I didn't even know what happened.
Cause I know one day I'll be king. No matter what they do to bring me down, even if they try, I'll keep on fighting. Whoa. I know I'm not a prince, but the blood runs in me, and I know.
What are you doing here?
Oh, Mama, do me a favor. Reduce your voice.
It has gotten to this. When you walk into my sitting room and begin to touch me inappropriately?
Oh, Mama, Why are you making these things as if it's an abomination? But I tell you, it is not.
Leave my sight.
Oh, you're talking to the man that wears the crown of Umunri.
I don't care about your crown. Leave my sitting room or I will shout. Leave!
You have shouted already. Increase your voice.
Leave!
You will enjoy it with me.
I will shout! Leave! 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 Oh, gods of our land. What did I do for you to allow such abominable acts?
I don't know what else to do. I'm losing it.
Why don't you kill her? Oh yes. The fear you have continued to express is unfounded. If you cannot have her as a woman, then you might as well kill her and nothing will happen.
No. For it is the best known to me than what I did.
And I'm interested to know exactly the reason you're talking about. And please, do not give me the previous reason you gave, because it doesn't make sense to me. Wait a minute. Don't tell me you have started developing feelings for her.
Mona Lisa! Stop sounding like a waiting. No. I don't. And I can't. You other people should know that. Are you sure she has not been listening to us?
I don't think so. Even if she's been listening to us, who cares? Aren't you going to ask her where she's going?
Not necessary.
What? How can a man of Umunri think of sleeping with his own father's wife?
Not just any man, but the one that wears the ancient crown of Umunri. I don't just understand.
Who else have you told about this?
No one. I can't even tell my daughter. I can't confront her with such news.
That's true. That's better. The princess should not be disturbed with this kind of story. It's unheard of. It's... How?
He finally sold that land.
I thought he was joking when he said he would sell it.
Joke? Ichi Ajahn, do you know Eze Tinisi as someone that jokes?
Oh no, I don't even know what to say. Yes, but the worst part of it is that he keeps intimidating the elders as if we are nothing.
That is so depressing, I must say. But what do we do?
I'm having this feeling that Ibezim will wear the crown of Umunri someday.
I have the same feeling too with Ichi Ajahn. And Ibezim will be that king we desire.
I'm glad you know that. There must be something our late king, his father, saw in him before he promised the crown to another family. That we must find out.
Yes, you are right there too.
Believe me, my king, I am so excited about this. I'm very happy. But please tell me, my king, are you sure this will work?
Oh, it will work. The demon that prepared the charm is a very powerful one.
Very good.
Also, Ofonsuwe, he is very, very powerful.
Okay.
Don't worry, soon good news will come to us.
Oh. Yes.
Wait! You think you can kill me with this? You actually think you can take my life with this? It's unfortunate you do not know who you're dealing with. Bring it on! Keep bringing it on! But I assure you your days are numbered. And very soon, the gods will do their thing. Get out! Get out! Out!
What do we call this?
It's a royal play.
How did you do it? How did you know that Michelle was blinded?
I am a man whose father and brother were killed because they were not prepared. So I am always prepared. I know the kingdom I come from. And I know the gods are with me.
Yes, dear. I tell them. They are not sleeping.
You told me that kings in Inluv do not give up. I am sure you will not give up on this. You will not. I'm sure he has a phone. Pick up the phone and call him. Tell him that his charm has failed. It has failed.
It is true. You couldn't kill the innocent young man with the debased women you kept sending to him. And you have the guts to bury charm in his compound. Oh, I thank the gods for always protecting their own. For hijacking that crown, my late husband, your father promised his family. You will always live on false hope. And nothing you do will ever succeed. And you, a woman who cannot advise her husband, is useless, worthless. No need wasting my speech on him.
Oh, please get out. Get out! What nonsense! You going to sit down there and you won't do anything? Are you not going to sit down there?
Stop. I know why I am still tolerating her.
Huh?
Call me the guard. You are so useless. You call yourself my hitman, and yet simple operation, simple task, you can do.
My king, something may be wrong somewhere. I hid it the way you told me. It was a perfect operation.
Perfect operation, my foot! And he saw it. How dare you justify your incompetence before me? How dare you stand before me and utter crush? Get out! Get out! Get out!
Mom, this is really getting out of hand.
It got out of hand long time ago. He got that crown through crooked means, and he can do anything to sustain it. He's capable of killing any opposition that comes his way right now. But don't worry, he will never succeed.
Mom, on a serious note, someone actually advised that we can make a sacrifice of a goat on the grave of my father and ask him to handle this matter. Huh?
Yes, that's quite an option.
Okay.
But I am not ready to exploit. Who is Aurora that I should kill an innocent goat on my husband's grave to disturb his peace? No, I won't do that. Don't worry, I will handle Omura myself.
Mother, you've been saying this and still nothing has happened.
Sweetheart, don't worry. I will handle Omura. He will see what will hit him. Trust me.
You promise?
I promise.
We've done everything possible, but all to no avail. I'm just tired. Does it mean that he's indispensable?
Exactly what it feels like to me. Seriously, I am short of words.
You know what? I think this Zim has strong charms. And the only way we can get back to him is by locating those charms and destroying them. I disagree with you. Because there is no charm anyone can bring into Inluv that will be superior to the crown. The crown is the summation of all things.
What if the spirit of the crown is with him? Come think of it. What if it's the spirit of the crown that has been protecting him?
That is not possible. The spirit of the crown is always with the crown.
The crown is with my husband and he has everything. All I need now is positive vibe. I need ideas. I need suggestions, please.
Huh. What other idea do you want us to bring? Eh? I can't even forget the odd slap I received the last time I tried to help.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Are you already telling me that you're done helping me?
I don't know what to say, my queen. I don't.
My queen, I think something that is more important than the crown should be bothering you. What exactly are you talking, Chimene? What else could be more important than the crown? What else? Children.
Children.
What? Yes. My queen, you have been married to the king for years and you don't have a child for him. That should be your priority. Yes, I know the crown is important, but that should be your main priority now. Okay, what if you succeed in killing Dissent? Who is going to succeed your husband? Are you directly insulting me for not having a child yet?
I'm not insulting you, my queen.
I am telling you the truth.
Why did you ask me to leave her?
Let her go. Then she needs to find out what I just told her.
Why would you say it like that? Why?
Are we not her friends? You should tell her the truth. Let her ponder over it. The crown is important, yes, but it's more important for her to have a child.
I know, but that was harsh. You talk too much.
No, I will say what I want to say.
Onyekuru, the deadly masquerade that kills by pointing its staff of destruction at its victim. Were you not created by our forefathers to protect the just and innocent and punish the wicked and terrorists? Why have you come to attack the just? Has it gotten to this? Has it gotten to them involving Onyekuru? Why is this man tampering with the gods and ancestors of this land? Why is he tampering with the ancient justice system of Onyekuru?
Etinyisi, ebelisi, etinyisi, 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 ebelisi, egede, ndugundu, etinyisi, ebelisi, etinyisi, nebelisi, no, etinyisi, ebelisi.
What is happening? How is this possible? Onyekuru, the deadly masquerade of woman that kills instantly by the pointing of his staff and then runs away from the man. What is going on? Who fortified that Osisiofo for him? Who fortified the Osisiofo for him? And no one can destroy him, including the Onyekuru, the deadly masquerade of woman. What is going on? I failed again. I don't know the kind of charm that idiot has, or even the deeper that prepared that charm for him. The Almighty Onyekuru of Umodi ran away from him. I saw that coming. Right now I'm seriously bothered. Very, very bothered. Mona Lisa, did you not hear me? Are you okay?
Why is it that we do not have children?
Oh, what kind of stupid question is that?
It's a question, and I demand an answer, husband of mine.
What else have you gone mad? What kind of nonsense question is that? Am I God that gives children? And why would you ask me such question at this moment? Why? Okay, fine. You, are you not a woman?
Excuse me? Are you trying to put the blame on me?
Spare me that. See, let me tell you. I have a serious enemy who is fighting to take away my crown. The crown of Umudi. I have you to bring down. I don't have time for these your questions. Listen. If you must support me as your husband, let's bring down our enemy. Leave this question. If you ask me that question next time, I'll cut off your head. Cut off your head. That is why I made the 18 seat.
I have a problem with what just happened, and that's why I sent for you. There are masquerades and there are masquerades. Onyekuru is not just an ordinary masquerade, for it never entertained. Onyekuru is a masquerade for the helpless, the just, the innocent, the downtrodden. Onyekuru is a masquerade made by our forefathers to fight for those who cannot fight for themselves. Onyekuru was made by our forefathers to be a masquerade that will administer justice in its entirety. Why then would he involve Onyekuru to come and kill me?
I understand what you are saying, but we must be very careful. We need to be sure that he was the one that sent the masquerade before we can confront him.
I have no other enemy in this kingdom. Neither is there any other person who wants me dead. Why are we not seeing this?
Ichi, I believe him. Yes. The masquerade was sent by the king. And his reason is to kill this young man. What are you saying?
I'm even surprised with what you just said, Chiomora. Have I not been complaining of how long he has always wanted me dead, even before now?
Whatever that came to you today cannot be Onyekuru. Nichi, I greet you.
No.
I am just coming from the shrine of the named masquerade, and the custodian confirmed to me that Onyekuru didn't leave the abode of the masquerades today.
Oh. And then what happened? Because I know what I saw, and it was Onyekuru.
Onyekuru of Omore is the very summation of a lot of things. It cannot even appear alone. Maybe the man used one of his so many charms to invoke some evil spirit that looks like Onyekuru to come and kill you. It wasn't Onyekuru.
I have tried everything, including invoking the almighty Onyekuru of Umudi, but I failed in all. That is why I have invited you. For you a great seer. Tell me what I must do. I want him dead.
I am Ubunye Mbochindo Natoya Iche. Nothing is impossible. And I came prepared. Take. That is the head of Avuke. The evil hand. The breeze that will locate him and kill him is deposited in the egg.
How will I use it?
Simple. Call his name. The name his father called him when his birth was announced in Okukumunna. Then throw the egg on the ground. The breeze will locate him anywhere he is and kill him.
Just that.
You have engaged the services of Ogbonye and Bochindo Natoya Iche. My solutions are easy.
Bezim, second son of Ubuja and Gwenze. Today is your end. It's easier. Yes. God, you're more you get begging. Hacho. You get in, some buzzing of water.
You failed again.
What?
I knew you would be surprised. Ain't you tired already? Why don't you just give it all up? Why don't you just surrender and give me back my crown?
You're a very big fool for making such statement. I should give you my father's crown and to useless charms. Listen, that promise was made to your father by my late father under the nose of useless charms. You better wake up from your dreams. That promise remains invalid forever.
You make a mockery of the promise of a man of the gods? Something mightier than you shall befall you. You are digging a deep grave, and you shall be buried therein.
Get out of my palace! Get out! Or I will kill you with my bare hands. Now! Out!
Okay.
Fool!
My husband. My husband. What happened? I am talking to you, my love. Talk to me. What happened? What is all this? You do not want to say anything about our childlessness, and now I'm talking to you. You are not answering me.
Very big fool for raising that topic again. Get out of my sight! Not me! Get out! Nonsense! Everyone keep provoking me! Everybody! Including you, my wife!
It is now clear to me that you wish to die. Or make me die before my time as an outcome of this.
Mother, nothing will happen to you. Like I always say, there is nothing wrong with fighting for what belongs to me. You'll be happier when I eventually wear that crown. I intend to be a good king. I intend to be a king who will listen to his people. A king that will do things that the gods will be happy for. I intend to be a king that will unify our people and make them have a quality life. Don't you get it? It is for the betterment of everybody and the kingdom. Listen, mother. His father knew he would not make a good king. And that's why he promised my dad that
one of his sons will be king after him. I am that son. And I need you to support me. Please.
You mean he almost attacked you because you mentioned that to him? Yeah. This is not right. Something is not right at all.
How do you mean?
It's obvious. This is not ordinary.
What isn't ordinary, if I may ask?
I can't place it, but I know that something is wrong somewhere. Like when?
Chine, you're not making any sense here.
Exactly. You are not making any sense at all. What are you saying?
For a man to be yelling at you, avoiding every time you bring up this discussion, shows that there's something he knows that he doesn't want you to know.
You're even getting me more confused than I already am. What is it?
Anyway, there's this Dibia I'll refer you to. I believe he will take care of all this.
Dibia? Why on earth should I go to a Dibia?
Point of correction, he's not just a Dibia. He's a priest with a link to the old world. And yes, you must go to him because there's a problem. That is why they are there. To solve problems. Eh? So you must go to him.
It's a royal
Today is not a good day for me. So please, if you have come here to provoke me more, you better leave. Save your head. Leave. If you provoke me today, you won't like what I'll do to you. Do you understand?
I will not leave until I tell you the truth. Someone needs to tell me the truth. If the truth will provoke you, you can do whatever you want.
I demand to be left alone immediately.
Your evil plan will never work. You can try 1,000,000 times, and 1,000,000 times you will fail. Ibezim must take this crown, whether you like it or not. Jimon. Come on.
And you? What are you doing here?
I am still your sister, no matter what. And it is my duty to advise you as my brother. Will you listen to me?
Oh, get lost with your advice! Get lost! I don't need it.
You need to listen to me.
What? No!
Nonsense! Everyone has gone mad! Stand, let me finish you up. What money of my sister?
You're confusing us, my queen. We agreed that you go see the great attacker, the priest, to find out if there's any spiritual problem causing you not taking in all this while. To the best of our knowledge, you went in there, spent time with this man. Now you're out. Talk to us. You're not talking. What is the problem?
Listen, Manalisa, you're our friend. Forget the fact that you finally became the queen of Omori. You are still our friend. And we are always at your service. Tell us whatever troubles you and together we can solve it. Please. Why are you not talking? What did the man say? Talk to us.
He said so many things. On the final analysis, he left me confused.
You're still confusing us now. Talk to us. What did this man say? Together we can talk about it.
Exactly. 2 heads are better than 1. Here we have 3 good heads. Tell us what the man said and we will max the meaning together, please.
Is it possible for a man who is a woman killer to be impotent?
Huh?
Exactly what I'm talking about. You are as confused as I am. Yeah. Please, I have to talk to him right away.
Nina, can you make out anything from what she just said?
Nothing. To me, she made no sense.
Nina, I can make some deductions. The king is a woman killer. And Adaka the priest just confirmed it, that he is what? Impotent.
Can you shut up? How can you say a thing like that?
How could you have hidden something like this from me all these years? How could you?
What nonsense are you talking about?
What do you mean, what nonsense am I talking about? You do not understand, right? Okay, fine. I will rephrase it. You are impotent. True or false?
How dare you repeat that same question? How dare you?
I need an answer from you, Ezentinisi. Are you impotent or not?
What? This after this moment.
I am going nowhere unless you answer my question. What? Oh, you want to slap me simply because I asked you a question? In truth, you have proven to me that you are truly impotent.
You are still talking. Get out! Get out!
Disappear! Fool! Sorry, next time.
She even get to know gods of our ancestors. What is happening?
I don't know what you did to your mother that changed her like this. Because she's now fully in support of your quest to claim the crown of Umuri. What happened?
Well, I told her the same truth I've always told you that you chose to ignore. The late king knew Onwura inside out. He knew he would make an evil king after him. That was why he made that promise he made to my father. His predictions are true. You can see how Onwura is. Support me, Edochie. Things will get better in Umuri if I have your support. If I become king.
When your mother, who have been protected from frustration, is now with you, who am I not to be with you? You have my support.
Thank you so much. Yeah. This means a lot to me, you don't know.
I had always known that the king is an evil man who is ready to do the unthinkable. But it is obvious that the gods are with you. That's why they are guiding you. Don't worry, you have my support.
Thank you once again.
You have my support.
I really appreciate this. We shall get what rightfully belongs to us. Yes. And on that note, let us go and get some fresh palm wine at Mpanene.
Are you serious?
Yes.
How did you know that I did that? Are you a magician?
Maybe.
I was listening to the rubbish you were saying to Mona Lisa. Chine, I am surprised at you. How can you be this evil?
What? You just insulted my person right now. See, I need you to retract that statement. How dare you call me evil? Are you okay?
If you're not evil, how can you suggest to a friend who has a husband to go sleep with another man? For crying out loud, this is madness. And a child of God shouldn't say that.
Did you even listen to her? The same thing you shut me up the other day. She opened up to me.
Who was that?
Adaka confirmed that the king, her husband, is impotent.
You are serious, are you?
I am very serious. Oh. The king is impotent. He cannot father a child.
And urgently encouraging her to go sleep with another man is the only suggestion you can come up with? What happened to medical science? What?
There are things mightier than medical science, my girl.
Our friend Marisa needs a vibrant young man
that can go all out for her. Someone that can do those things, you know, those things that Igwe, her husband, cannot do for her.
And if I may ask, who is this young man we're talking about?
She will figure out who works for her. See, babes, our friend needs our help. I am trying, you know, as the good girl that I am. You're not helping her here. This girl needs a child. Let us support a friend and stop dulling my hands. Stop it.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for here?
Apologies, Your Majesty. I was only looking for this earring that fell off last night. See, my ear is bare.
Now tell me, what made you think it fell off down this place? Why are you trespassing?
Your Majesty, I wasn't trespassing. I was only searching for this pair of earring.
Tell me, who sent you?
What?
What are you looking for?
I just told you. I was looking for one of my earrings.
Shut up!
What is going on here?
Ask your useless daughter why she's trespassing.
Is your wife that is useless?
What? You are calling my wife useless? Unaman?
Oh, you don't want your wife to be called useless and you think that my daughter should be called that, right?
Unaman! You are pushing me so hard. You are pushing me so hard.
I thought I was doing that already. Before now. Even your so-called wife is so fed up with you. Omura, shame on you. And never you in your entire miserable life yell at my daughter. Exactly. It's okay.
And what was the meaning of that?
I beg your pardon? What are you talking about?
Oh, spare me that. You saw me being insulted by older man and her daughter. You walked past my in that stupid manner. What has come over you?
Excuse me? What do you mean what has come over me?
Oh, what are you saying? What are you talking about?
Have you lost your sanity? What's the meaning of that nonsense? See, listen, with due respect, Onyeze or whatever you're being called, I am not in a good frame of mind. Don't even provoke me. What's all this?
So now, Mona Lisa, so I should worry about you now. Meaning I should include in the list of my enemies. Be very careful with me, Mona Lisa. Be very, very careful with me.
That I should be very careful with you. How? I don't understand. All your enemies, what have you done to them? Nothing. All Mona Lisa should be careful that you do what to me. Please don't disturb me here.
Oh boy, as I'm talking to you, it didn't work. The most annoying part of it all is that the idiot came to warn me after. That was the main reason why I invited you over here again.
Did you do it the way I asked you?
Of course, I did it perfectly well. But the idiot is still alive. I want him dead.
It is better you let him go.
How do you mean I should let him go?
There is nothing you can do. It is better you let him go. Do not think about killing him. Because he has the blessing of a king. And that king is your father. Who in his benevolence further gifted him with a stick of Osisiofo. Nobody can take his life.
Is this some kind of joke, Ogbonne? It means Ebelisi should forget about the idiot. I should forget about the idiot, the criminal, the animal that wants to play my crown.
What I am saying here is bigger than what it appears to you. Leave that young man alone. I repeat, leave him alone.
Ogbonne, you are a very big fool for saying that to me. Get out.
Did you just talk to me?
Wait for me. Ogbonne!
But Queen, what you're asking for is there is no but. It's very simple. Get me pregnant and I will pay you handsomely. I already told you my reason for doing this.
But what if someone gets to hear of this? I mean, most especially the king. I'm scared.
No one will get to hear about this. You won't tell anyone, and I will definitely not tell anyone about this. It is going to be a secret between you and I. But remember, a secret will always remain a secret. Please do this for me.
Babes, do you know what? The queen has finally found someone to do that for her.
I don't get. And what has that got to do with me?
Babe, I need your support.
What support? Didn't I tell you guys I'm not interested in this nonsense?
Babe, what's that now? You've made your point, and it's well noted. I'm not asking you to get involved.
So what do you want me to do?
See, the queen has made some funds available. I would like you, please, check into a hotel so that she can use this apartment.
How do you mean? If she wants to do that nonsense, let her go to an hotel.
Oh, babes, she's our friend. See, you know, this is the queen we're talking about here, the queen of Umuri. It would not be nice seeing her in any hotel at all. Please, just take the money. Go enjoy yourself. She needs to bring this young man so it can remain a secret. Is that too much to ask?
Bugata, I may not be able to warn you again. Stop conspiring against me. If you force me to kill you, your death will amount to nothing. I mean nothing.
I'm sorry, Onyeze, but don't you think you are going too far? I mean, why will a king kill Diono for telling him the truth?
You're a very big fool for telling me that. For saying that to me, you're a very big fool. Capital fool! Now listen. Tell me, what do you even think that you know? Can you tell me? You know what? Ono will get out. Ono get lost! Out of my face, Ono! Out!
This is not good, Your Majesty. This is not good at all.
What is it?
It's the queen.
What about her? Where is she?
I don't know if I should tell you this. So, Your Majesty, As we speak at the moment, the queen is with another man.
What?
Yes, Your Majesty. She said you've not been satisfying her in bed and she needed someone else to make her become a woman.
Well, I told you this.
Yes. I want her not to do something like this. That is abomination. But she said I should do my worst. And I said to do my worst by coming to tell you. You know I'm a good girl. The worst part of it is the person she is with right now is your driver.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Wait for me!
How will he ever find out?
Are you planning to tell him? I will not tell him as well. Besides, this place belongs to my friend. Nobody will find you here. You should be happy that you have the queen of Umuri Kingdom at your beck and call. You should be happy.
I'm happy, my queen. You see, I'm still bothered. There's something that's not right about this.
Please, let's not talk about this for now. Meanwhile, you still have not told me what you drank that made you last so long. You almost killed me. Oh.
My queen, I'm still young in backgrounds.
I see. I'm tired. That must be my friend. Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty!
So it's true!
Yes, Your Majesty. No, Your Majesty. I will explain everything. I will explain. Please. Your Majesty. No, please.
I'm listening. It's good.
It's not all good. You know you are.
Jesus! Please, Your Majesty. When you're on top of my wife, Queen of Umu the Kingdom, dancing Ewa Kelewa. No, Jesus!
I wasn't the one. Please, I was.
Yeah! Fool!
What just happened? You killed them! Your Majesty, no! I told you to catch the women and not to kill them! What have you done?
No, please, don't.
I am not the king of the listen. The one who has the crown of Umu the Kingdom. I am better than any other man in this kingdom. You don't want this to be queen of fun.
No, I did not. I don't know what to do this.
Shut up! I hate betrayals.
Please, don't kill me, please.
Mom, I am still shocked. I have never seen anyone as brutal as this.
This is the beginning of Omura's downfall. I am so sorry for all those that lost their lives. I never wanted anyone to die. But in one way or the other, one can say that they brought this upon themselves.
Mom, he's so mean and heartless. I mean, he should have just sent her away rather than killing her and the other two. That's inhumane.
You never can say. Sweetheart, you never can say what the gods are thinking. I know that their will is on the way. I'm sure of that.
I believe so.
Chinaya was a very good friend. How could you have allowed her to do this to herself?
Uju, my dear, I never supported this. I was never comfortable with this. Little did I know that Chinaya had another intention. Now look at where it all landed. My both friends are dead. My 2 friends died. Oh my God. Please, forgive me. Please, have mercy. Please.
I am suggesting that you should run away. That king may still come for you.
Why will the king come after me? Why? Was I the one that pushed his wife into the act? I advised the both of them, but they wouldn't listen. They failed to listen to me, Uju.
I know all that. But you're up against a man that has no conscience. That man can still come for you. Maybe you will just assume that you knew about it but didn't bother to tell him. Just run away. It won't cost you anything.
I know, I'm just confused. I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
What happened is unprecedented in our history. We have to look into it properly and take decisions as leaders in positions of authority.
This whole thing looks like a move made by the gods. I may be wrong, but then again, it will not cost us anything to make inquiries in that regard.
To me, I see a man who is going insane. It takes only a madman to kill 3 people in one day.
I agree with you completely, Ichiajana. The gods of Omori have their hands in this.
I pity the young man that also lost his life.
Are we possibly planning to sweep this under the carpet? I mean, without informing the police? It could backfire.
Ichi Onora, if you go to the police now, what will you tell them?
Oh, then we make an urgent decision. Can a mother continue wearing the crown of Umuru Kingdom?
Want me to kill you?
Eze Etinyisi Ebelisi, am I any better than Niburebu? I'm not better than those you have already killed. A murderer can sit as king in all the kingdoms, but a murderer cannot sit as king in Omori. That's why I'm urging you to surrender the crown.
Oh! No. You want me to surrender the crown? To who? To who? No.
Amora, you know who your father promised the crown. It's a royal promise. And time has come for you to allow that promise see the light of the day.
Etinyisi, 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 ebelisi, etinye, 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 etinyisi, ebelisi, etinyisi, 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 ebelisi, etinyisi, ebelisi.
Where is that fool? Where are you? Come on.
So you have come to finally finish what you couldn't finish. Do not pull that trigger, for something bigger than your gun is here with us.
You're a big fool for you to say that to me. Very big fool. Emakansi Kwado. Huh? Emakansi Kwado. Give me that charm now, or you leave me with the option that to kill your mother here.
Go ahead.
You are welcome back to Umumbre. Your reappearance is a mystery, for we all thought that you drowned in our Amungene River, as reported.
No. I feigned death to have life. I told Onungwo, my friend, to report that I drowned. I fled to Beledu, where I settled, married a wife, and bore 3 sons.
To save the life of my good friend, I kept it a secret. Because I knew Onwura, the deadly man, would definitely look for him and kill him anywhere he is. So I later went back to him and told him how Onwura met his death. That's why I started to come back home and show himself to his people. You're welcome, my good friend. Thank you.
This is indeed a perfect development. Yes. I'm happy finally. I kept asking if our gods are dead to have allowed the lineage of a man like Eze Izamaka to end just like that.
No. Not at all, no. Right before our father, Onwura made several attempts to kill me. That was why I fled. He saw me as a threat that must be eliminated. I thank the gods he didn't succeed. If I had stayed back, he would have killed me. But I'm back.
You're welcome.
And if the elders will permit, I want to go back and bring my family.
You don't need any permission to bring your family back home. This is your home. You have to come back immediately. And I am so happy that you are back.
Uzondo, we have a problem now.
What is the problem?
Your father, Eze Izamaka, before he died, promised that the crown will leave your family for that of Uwefi and Akwese. He finally died. And Onwura hijacked the crown. We saw his death as an act of the gods. The Nabulos fulfilled the royal promise. And now you are back. We're in a dilemma.
I see no reason why you should be at the crossroads. I didn't come to fight for the crown. I saw my father in the dream where he crowned Ibezim, the king of Umumbre. Yes. He is that king that must be crowned. And we are all his subjects.
I'm still surprised. But you never showed any interest in her all these years.
You're right, Nne. You know, everything happens for a reason. It will be my utmost pleasure if you support us on this journey.
You know how it goes. She will speak for herself. So I suggest you speak with her. What do you think?
I sure will do that. Thank you so much. I just needed to seek your approval.
You have it.
You know, I can't stop being thankful to your mother. She's always been there to support me, and I have her to thank for this success.
That's true. She really likes you. You know, sometimes she would always wish you're her son.
I know, and I always tell her to regard me as her son. My princess.
Yes?
Are you shy?
Shy? No! Why did you ask?
Never mind.
What?
You see? You're shy.
No, I'm not. I'm not sure.
I already made my intentions known to your mother. And she suggested that you and I have this discussion.
She did?
Yes. Okay. I know this might sound crazy. And I also know it's a great move. You are the kind of woman I want by my side as queen. You are the woman who I want to spend the rest of my life with. please do not say no. Will you marry me?
I must equally open up to you. You're my kind of man. Yes, I will marry you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. This means the world to me.
You're welcome.
On the royal promise made by Eze Izuamaka, the first of Omonri, I crown you, Ibezim, the son of Ogbuefi Anakwenze, Eze Izuamaka, the second of Omonri.
Chukudi.
Hey.
Chukudi, Mama. Chukudi. That is your brother, Utondo. Oh, okay. And your sister, Ifunaya. She's now married to Ibezim. Eze Izuamaka, the second.
We thought you were dead. Where did you go? What happened?
Aura, are you the one that asked them to do this to me?
Listen. If you don't shut up this minute, I will get them to do more. Yes. You are in a slaughterhouse. And I will teach you that I am Onwura the beast.
No. Aura, I'm your brother. What did I ever do to you to deserve this, Aura? What?
Shut up. Shut up! John. You know I can kill you right now. Here. Yes. I want you to suffer. And it may interest you to know that I, Onwura the beast, I have sold you out. Elegongi.
Aura!
John, shut up while I'm talking. If I have him, your master, yes, your master will be coming this evening to pick you up. And for your information, you'll be traveling far away from this kingdom. Don't you ever in your miserable life, I repeat, don't you ever in your miserable life think of coming back. If you do, you may encounter what is mightier than death.
Aura, I'm your brother. Aura, we're brothers.
Oh, spare me that. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Don't provoke me. Because I will kill you the same way I will kill our father.
What?
Yes. That old fool, that old man, the idiot, took me for granted. Yes. He took me for granted by promising what belongs to me, what actually belongs to me, to a son of a commoner, a bloody commoner. I will prove to all of you, and I will teach all of you that I am Onwura the beast.
Aura, no.
Oh.
Aura, is this what all of this is all about? This is what matters most to you.
I wish you success, my brother.
The master you mentioned came that night.
I was blindfolded before we embarked on the journey to the unknown island. I was unable to know the name of this place, but it's a place where the basic amenities of life are entered. I served the master. Luckily for me, I became his favorite slave. Just 4 days ago, he asked me how I would feel if he lets me go back to my land. I said I would be very grateful. But the problem is that I don't know my way back home. He said that wouldn't be the problem. That he will personally pay someone to take me back home.
Oh, it's good man.
It's that his spirit likes me and I have served him even better than every other servant. He got a helicopter and we flew for about 3 hours. We landed in a Bagana and I was asked to go.
Welcome, my son. Now we have the confirmation that Onwura was responsible for the deaths of Eze Izuamaka I, Ogbuefi Anakwenze, and his first son. Here is Ibezimi, the son of Ogbuefi Anakwenze. We just crowned him Eze Izuamaka, the second of Omonri, in line with the royal promise made by your father, Eze Izuamaka the first. What do you say?
Your Majesty, I bow before you. May you live forever.
That a king made it to my father. I know I'm not a prince, but the blood runs in me. 'Cause I know one day I'll be king. It's a royal promise that a king made it to my father. I know I'm not a prince, but the blood runs in me. 'Cause I know one day I'll be king. No matter what I do to bring me down, even if they try, I'll keep on fighting. Whoa. I know I'm not a prince, but the blood runs in me, and I know that one day I'll be king. It's a royal promise that a king made it to my father. I know